Welcome to EDU World Space.
Problem 8.1, we have a 10,000 kilogram truck which is moving at 12 meters per second, and the first thing we're asked about is what is the momentum of this. And so we know that the momentum, the magnitude of the momentum is the mass times the speed. And so this works out to be 120,000 kilogram meters per second. Now B has two parts. In the first part, we have a 2,000 kilogram SUV, and we want the momentum to be equal. And so what is the speed at which this happens? Well, you can see from here that V is going to be P over M. And this works out to give you 60 meters per second in order to have the same momentum. Now in the second part, we want the kinetic energy to be equal to that of the truck. And again, we're looking for the speed. So, the most straightforward way of doing this, of course, is take the expression for the kinetic energy for both objects and set them equal to each other. Of course, the twos or halves cancel out. And we find that the speed the SUV needs is going to be equal to the speed of the truck times the square root of the mass of the truck divided by the mass of the SUV. And again, just putting the numbers in, we find that this is 26.8 meters per second. And it makes sense that we would want the speed to be, we would need the speed to be lower for the kinetic energy to be the same, because this is quadratic in the speed, whereas here this is, linear in the speed. So in order to get the same value, the speed will have to be higher to have the same momentum and lower to have the same kinetic energy. So our answers make sense, and we're done.